Hello everyone, Tommy the Tank here. Today I'd like to show you one of the new locomotives I bought some time ago, but again I was unable to complete them. I'm going to show you my conversion of a Taurus DB182 into my Class 47 lookalike. I know you've seen this before, but this is part of the saga of my renovations. So here it comes. It's pulling 4 Pullman coaches this time. Right, so again, I know you've seen this, but I just want to backtrack a little bit. And there you are, Darren. There's my tea and biscuits. And they're healthy biscuits as well. I'm not allowed to have the normal ones. Right, so we'll just... There we are, so that's running quite well now. Very happy with it. So we'll slow that down. Okay. Now then, this is going to be, excuse me while I mess around with the points. Let's recap. I bought 2 Locos and they were advertised as being in need of repair, not working, etc, etc. So I've just shown you my Class 47 lookalike that I modified from my Piko DB182. So now I'd like to show you the second Loco, which is coming out. I'm still sitting down, I'm still not going to be standing up much. So here it is. It's a Roco BR294. This one I believe may have been dropped because the roof panel was split. The top of the exhaust cap was missing. I've just put a temporary one in for now, and 2 of the windows were missing. So basically it just needed some minor repairs and a good service, and there we are. I'll slow it down. Incredible runner. So as you can see, it's a DB cargo Loco pulling 6 DB cargo wagons, except for the Radeon. Now then, this is obviously, I said, a Piko locomotive, and these wagons are Piko except for the last one, which is a Lima. So there we go. That's a bit of an interesting mix. And what happened, I bought 2 of these a long time ago, and I don't know why I put them in a drawer, and I think I was waiting to see if I could get more. And then over a period of time I bought 4 more. So quite happy now to have a DB cargo set, so to speak. I also found that the traction tyres were perished on this, so it has 2 new traction tyres. Great puller. I've only done my resistance test, not the French resistance test, my resistance test, and it is a strong puller. All-wheel drive. So there we go, going over the bridge. Now then, it stopped because I make this mistake every time. I forget to close the point. There we go. I do it every time. When I bring it out of its siding to test it, it stops there. That's my mistake, not the Locos. Now then, as it's coming around, I'm just going to get up very slowly. I bought this fire engine at the same time as the last two of the DB cargo wagons. This is a Comma Gamecock fire engine, and it's made by Atlas, the same people who made the 3 locomotives I bought on stands, the display locomotives. This is very highly detailed, 187 in scale, so it's perfect for the layout. There's a 176 scale truck there, so it's in comparison. So very, very happy to get that. So here we go. Right, I'm just going to let the 294 run around. And some time ago, I'll have to start drinking my tea. Right, some time ago, I forget who he was, asked me what the locomotive was under the castle, and it's a Piko BR 98. So let's have a look. What have I done now? Oh, another little mistake. This is also a BR 98 from Piko, and it's from their hobby range. So what I've done now, I've just selected the wrong loco. Silly me. Anyway, unedited, as all my videos are. What you see is what you get. So this is, I've had this loco for many years, and basically I was reading books on how to build a layout, and it was recommended that an old loco be used to test the track, and if anything went wrong, the old loco would suffer the damage and not a new loco. And this is one I bought to do that, and it's brilliant. And I can't remember exactly when, but a few years ago now, I changed the colouring to my BR green, and I put Great Western decals on it. So now, let's have a look now if I can get this right. I'm going to go like me. Yes, finally. So I bought this one maybe a year or two after the first one, because I liked them so much, and obviously being cheap. That's probably the main reason why I bought them. I also bought 4 Hornby 060 locos at the same time, and only 2 of those remain, but I kept these because they are good little runners. Slow it down a bit. And the wagon with the crane hook resting in it is actually a very, very old Triang. I've had to change one of the couplings on it to get it to match, but that's very old. So there we go. There's that's my engineer's train, obviously with the crane so that they can carry out repairs or change track. And honestly, this is the first time I've ever shown it on a video. It spends most of its time under the castle, and it's on its track, just waiting to be used one day. Yeah. So for me, this is ideal for somebody who wants to start a layout. Very inexpensive, and you can still buy them. You can control the speed right down. Very, very nice. So this will now be reversed back into its siding. There we go. Just in time for the 294 to come around again. I put the cargo loads in a couple of days ago, and did a very light weathering just to take the shine off it. So this is the second of two of my locomotives bought for repairs as non-runners. So I'm extremely happy with them. I know I've said this before, for me you can't go wrong with Piko or Roco. And even though the 182 was from the hobby range, I'm not sure about this one. I'm really not sure, because it came unboxed. Let's see, we'll slow it down even more. Okay, so we'll stop it there, and what I shall do is reverse it back into its siding. And hidden out of view is the quarry where this would have picked up its stone from. Yeah, really happy with it. So there we go. Now then. Let's just see if we can catch the last thrash of the 47 lookalike coming through. Hopefully thundering through the station. Here it comes. There we go. So I have two new projects, hopefully to start on the end of next week, subject to some parts arriving. So I shall keep you all in suspenders so you can wait and see what it will be. So now it's time to have a slurp of my black tea. It's not coffee, it's black tea, and my healthy biscuits. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye now.